Good morning, students. Today we are going to explain about algebraic expressions and identities. First, what is algebra? Algebra is that branch of mathematics which deals with relations of number, and there are some constants, some variables. What are constant? Constant means the numbers 2, 4, 6. This type of numbers are called constants. And variables means x, y, z. These are variables. So while we are writing 3x square y, here x and y are variable and 3 is constant. 3 is also known as coefficient. So in algebra, if I write xy, which means x into y, an expression which contains only one term, that is called monomial, which contains two terms, that is called binomial, which contains three terms, that is called trinomial. Each term is separated by plus or minus sign. So here x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. There are four terms. Similarly, if I write x minus y, it has two terms. So which has two terms, that is called binomial, a single term, that is called monomial, three terms, that is called trinomial. And what is polynomial? Combinedly we can say that it is a polynomial which contains two or more terms, that are called polynomial. So polynomial means two or more terms. Now we are operating algebraic expression, addition, subtraction and multiplication. So how will you add this two term? There are two methods. First method, vertical method, x square minus x minus 1, vertical method. So just write the another expression and do the separate calculation. X square plus x square, that is equal to 2x square. Minus x plus x, it will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1, again it will get cancelled. So the final answer is 2x square. This is vertical method. Now the second method, that is horizontal method. In horizontal method, just write down the numbers using a plus sign. Now open the bracket. X square minus x minus 1 plus x square plus x plus 1. So minus x plus x get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Answer is 2x square. You can use any one of these two methods, but in my opinion, try to solve in this method, that is horizontal method. Similarly, subtraction, again there are two methods. Remember one thing, if the question is subtract a number from another number, you should write the first number from के बाद जो number है, you should write it first. So after from, that is 12x cube, so we are writing 12x cube first. Then the second term is minus 5x cube. Since we are doing the subtraction, change the sign of the number which is at the bottom. So minus 5x square becomes plus 5x square. Now the same way, how to add 12x cube plus 5x cube, that is equal to 17x cube. Second method, first write down 12x cube, put the minus sign, here put the plus sign. Since there is a subtraction, we will give the minus sign, and minus 5x cube. When you open the bracket, minus minus plus 5x cube, so the answer is 17x cube. Similarly, we can solve this. We are using this method only. So after from, 5x square minus 6x plus 3 minus 2x square minus 9x minus 6. First open the bracket. So first term, no change in sign, just copy as it is. And in the second bracket, change all the sign. Minus 2x square plus 9x plus 6. Now look at the like terms. 5x square minus 2x square, that is 3x square. Minus 6x plus 9x, that is plus 3x. Plus 3 plus 6, that is plus 9. So this is the answer. Now multiplication. In multiplication, there are three cases. First case, when a monomial is multiplied by another monomial. So in that case, we are writing here three examples. The method to do the multiplication is multiply the coefficient first. So 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. Now write down the variable and add the powers. Here the power of x is 1. यहाँ पर कोई भी x नहीं है. So we are writing x only. For y, power of y is 1. Again power of y is 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. Z 1 and 2, that is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. So 24x y square z cube is the answer. Similarly, minus 5x square y cube into minus 7xy square. 7 5s are 35, minus minus plus. Power of x 2 plus 1, that is 3. Power of y 3 plus 2, that is 5. Similarly, in this question, minus 20 by 7 into 14 by 5. And the power of m is 7 and also 7. Because 1 plus 6, 7, 6 plus 1, 7. Now simplify this. 7 2s are, 5 4s are. So the actual answer is minus 8 m to the power 7 n to the power 7. When we multiply a monomial and a polynomial, each term inside the bracket should be multiplied by the monomial. So here 5x into 4x minus 6 into 4x. Now do the calculation like the previous one. 5 4s are 20x square minus 24x. Similarly for this question, 2m square n cube into 2m minus 2m square n cube into 3m. Now while you are doing this multiplication, 2 2s are 4, m cube n cube minus 3 2s are 6, m square n 4. Now this third type, when a polynomial is multiplied by another polynomial. Open the first bracket. In the first bracket, x plus 6. So x into the whole second bracket plus 6 into again the whole second bracket. Now this is similar to monomial into polynomial. Calculate it. X square minus 4x plus 6x minus 24. Since there are two terms which contain x, we can combine this. Minus 4x plus 6x, that is plus 2x minus 24. Last example. The question is x plus 1 by 5, x plus 5. So x square, first we multiplying x plus 5 by x. So answer is x square plus 5x. In the second, 1 by 5 into x plus 1 by 5 into 5. 5 5 get cancelled. So x square 5x plus x by 5 plus 1. So here 5 is the, if I calculating this to part, so 1 and 5 are the denominator. Taking the LCM, LCM is equal to 5. So 5 5s are 25x plus x plus 1. So the final answer is x square plus 26x by 5 plus 1. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss about special identities of algebraic expression. Thank you, class.